Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add text background color in Canva. Friends, to add text background color, first we need to add text. Now after typing text, you need to select the text. Now click on effects. Here you will find background. Click on it. Now friends, it will give background color effect to your text. So friends, like this you can very easily add text background color in Canva. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.